Hello, my people. Here's your girl again. Yeah. I'd promised to do for you a video of me unplaiting my hair, but these micro twists, they are a lot, so I couldn't film everything. I've been unplaiting, so here we are right now. Yeah. But I'll put a clip of me unplaiting, and yeah, and detangling. So guys, you'll need a safety pin or a plastic toothpick, a white tooth comb, a hairbrush, and a moisturizer, plus a pair of scissors. Don't forget a puff holder for helping you separating your hair. Yeah, so far this is what I've done, and I'm just going to show you from this part how I've been doing it. Puff holders, please. Puff holders, please. So now guys, here's what I do. I first cut the tips of the twists. It makes it easier for me to unravel them without causing so much damage. Yeah, and this is going to be optional, but what I do is what I did was I did my trims in this part. Every section, every twist I was unraveling, I had to take a trim. I'd taken long without taking a trim after a full year and something. I wasn't taking my trims, so don't be alarmed that I was cutting off so much. Yeah, I had to cut them off, and in turn this helped me with reducing on the amount of tangles I got while detangling. It made the detangling process much easier. I was cutting off every part that I felt that was rough. Yeah, that's what I was doing. Before, what I didn't tell you, before removing my twists, I oiled my hair for some days with DHT blocker. I'm going to insert the photo of what I'm meaning. It makes my hair soft, so I figured it would make the detangling process much easier. Yeah, so I used that. And just to warn you, whatever you do, don't let go of your twist. Don't let the twist with the hair go. This will reduce and freeze. Yeah, make sure you don't let that twist go. And when I was plaiting, I told you I plaited the hair myself. I made sure that I did put my hair in one side. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying, but I didn't split my hair into two to make a twist. No, I just put it on one side because I figured it would make the unraveling easier, which it did. I think you saw how you've seen how I've been doing this. Yeah, the only problem I had was my tangling down on the roots, and it built up. Oh god. Anyway, let's continue with this. Yeah, be gentle with your hair. That's what I can tell you. Be gentle. And if you need a trim, go ahead and do it in this particular section before washing your hair. And that's my flat ironing. I've never flat ironed my hair, so you figure. Yeah. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Please give me some likes. Yeah, hit that subscribing button and the bell with it. It will inform you every time I upload. Yeah. I was saying in that clip, I was saying that I would never let a salon stylist cut my hair off that much. You can see how putting the hair on one side makes the unraveling much easier. It's a breeze. The breeze goes away when it comes to time for detangling. You see, it's a breeze. Yeah, that's basically what I've been doing on the entire head. Yeah. Just being excited about unraveling my hair that easily. Here's a close-up. See that part? That part where the hair was rough, that's where I cut. Me showing you how I was dealing with that build-up. See? Be gentle. Yeah, guys. I looked more like a scientist in this, trying to be all precise with my cuts. I know it gets boring, but it's a lot of hair. Now, guys, before I settled into the process of when I just started, I made some mistakes, which I'll explain to you guys later. But now when it came to time for me to detangling, I went in first with a safety pin. This was helping me to break down the build up and make it much easier for me to separate my hair from the build up. Yeah, you can see I was starting from the bottom going up. Don't start from the top, start from the bottom going up, so that you pull that build up down further, not pushing it up. Yeah. Like that. Please be careful so that you don't prick yourself with the safety pin. I didn't prick myself in the entire process. I didn't prick myself once. One reason why I chose the safety pin is because it was available, first of all, and I didn't expect it to break like the wooden toothpicks, so it was a better choice for me, you know. Yeah, but if you have plastic toothpicks, that would do. Yeah. Yeah, be patient and work your build up. Easy does it. Now, guys, I was telling you about the mistake I did when I just started to unplait my hair. I thought it was going to be an easy process, kind of. So I went in all excited. Then I started to unravel the twists, only to find out that the build-up had not gone away with my washing. You know, from the past video of me washing my hair with dish soap, it hadn't. Yeah. So I felt frustrated, which made me cut those pieces. There were like 5 or 6 pieces. I cut them off. I cut my hair off. So I cancelled myself and I was like, Brenda, go to bed. You'll deal with this hair tomorrow morning. I tied my satin bonnet and went to bed and came back to the hair. And the next morning, I played the positive card and it worked. Yeah. So guys, the takeaway is be positive, be gentle, and be patient. It pays off. Yeah. And thank you, Holy Spirit, for guiding me to the safety pin. It saved my hair from being chopped off. Because during that entire time when I was cutting my hair, I was like, should I just get the machine and just shave off everything and start a new hair journey? But then the Holy Spirit came in as usual and cancelled me, gave me the right magazi. Yeah. So in this particular part, I went in with the white tooth comb without moisturizing the top part of my hair, and that's when I realized that it was dry. Yeah. So the rest of the hair, I went in with the moisturizer first before I went in with the combs. And not everything is going to go off with the comb. Sometimes you just have to get in there and be patient extra and separate your hair from the knots one by one. Yeah. Just that small part, that's how much breakage I got. But it's been 5 months. 5 months. This has been patient with me. A person is supposed to lose approximately 75 pieces of hair every day. I mean, it's 5 months. How many pieces was I supposed to lose? Do the maths. Yeah. Yeah. When your build-up have gotten loose, then you can go ahead and separate with the fingers before you go in with the combs. Yeah, it's a process. Okay guys, let me just shut up and let you guys watch what I was doing. Don't mind the moment with me and my son. Yeah. Guys, are you enjoying the music? It's a long process. It's a long process. Removing micro twists is a long process which I'll never, ever get back into. I'll never plait micro twists again. No micro braids, no locks, no. The only thing that will be seeing this head are wigs and braids or big twists, not these micro ones. No. No. Weaves, wigs, braids in large sizes and twists in large sizes, not micro. I'm not going micro anymore. I mean, I shot this part, I think it was around 1 in the night. Guys, I just wanted to get done with the hair. I was tired. This was day 4 of unplating and I was tired. Unplating took me 5 days. 5 whole days unplating hair, which I normally do in 30 minutes to 1 hour. Of unplating my braids or cornrows, I'll never plait micro twists again, let alone micro braids. Who does that? Now please watch my fingers as I unravel this twist. You'll notice that I let the hair apart as it sees fit, and I follow those partings with my fingers. You can see. I untwist at the bottom as I let my fingers go. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Just be gentle, don't forget that. To take you through the steps, remove the build-up, tangles, separate your twist, unravel it, moisturize, comb using a detangling brush from the tips to further unravel those twists. Then after, use the wide tooth comb so that you can work the new growth. Yeah, and when you find a tangle, please use your hands. Use your hands to separate your hair from the tangles. Yeah, my hair has kind of grown. Yeah, it has grown ever since December. No relaxer. December 21st. Yeah, no relaxer. Here we are, several months later. Now guys, after doing this, I'm going to co-wash. I'm not going to shampoo because I used a dishwashing soap on my hair, so it was kind of rough. So I'm not going to shampoo to strip the just built oils, to remove them. Now I'm not going to shampoo. I'm just going to co-wash, then deep condition. Yeah, and after a week, I think I'll do a relaxer. Yeah. Every time I try to go natural, I'm like, this growth is too much for me to handle. Get your creamy crack back, Brenda. Yeah. But here I was, 7 a.m. in the night, working hair. What women we do. The chronicles of being a woman. Should I just say chronicles of womanhood? Yeah, the next day I left this part so that I can shoot it during the day. But again, it was late. It was coming to 2:30. So I just plated it in a plaque, then went to bed. So this is me next morning showing you what I did the night. Yeah, and I had already excuse me, I'd already separated the build up, so only a few was left, like this piece right here. Yeah, it wasn't budging on me, and I didn't have my safety pin because I thought I was done with the build up, but later it gave way to my fingers to work it. Yeah, I went in with a moisturizer. I was using Not on My Watch by Anti-Jackies, Curls and Kinks and Curls, I think. I don't know how. Anti-Jackies, Kinks and Curls, Not on My Watch. Yeah. Use your hands, use your fingers to work that moisturizer in so that it gets saturated properly. Yeah. Work it. Excuse me. Work it, and when it is all dissolved in the hair, then you can go ahead and use your brush. Start from the tips, please. From the tips, use your brush. I have this denim brush that I got from South Sudan. So guys, if you want to find it in Uganda, I think I saw it around Grand Corner. Yeah, but I didn't ask the prices, so I can't tell you the prices. But I saw it around there. I don't know if it's original, if it's fake, but the one I have is original. I got it from South Sudan. Yeah. And please take note that I'm not being that fast in real life. It's the the speed of the video, but in real life I'm slow with my hair. I'm gentle. I'm not that kind of fast. I take it slow. So when detangling, please take it slow. From tips to roots. Please subscribe, like the video. Yeah, please subscribe and like the video, and also hit that bell. When you do it, you'll get informed every time that I upload new content. Yeah, but when you reach the roots, please go in with a wide tooth comb. Since the growth is kinda all together, first go in with your wide tooth comb to break it down and remove the buildup that had fallen back into your hair. Yeah, try to move it. Now here is what I was saying. When you meet a tangle that won't budge, don't insist on the comb, please. Go in with your fingers. Fingers were made before forks. Yeah? Go in with your fingers. I tried everything. I tried the wide tooth comb, it wasn't budging. I tried the denim brush, it wasn't moving. So I went in with my fingers. Yeah? It ain't moving. Yeah. Search and destroy. Yeah, you see? Take it one piece by one piece and it will move. After removing some of my hair, you see, it moved out in one go. Now, some of you may ask, why did you have to detangle without washing your hair first? Guys, with this kind of growth and me being relaxed, detangling in the bathroom wasn't going to work. Yeah? All I had to do is moisturize and make things a bit easier for me. But if I was to go in the bathroom with the water and that kind of build up and tangle, I was going to lose more hair than I did detangling from here. Yeah. So please understand the state in which your hair is in at the moment and work according to that. If I had just relaxed my hair like a month and I was doing a wash and deep condition, yeah, I can detangle in the bathroom. But 7 months of new growth, and 5 months of build up, we are not going to let me prosper in the bathroom. Yeah. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Voila! Yeah, I have some dandruff. I'm trying to use peppermint oil. I'll update you on it when it goes. Yeah, enjoying my hair again. After 5 long months of me not seeing my hair. Ooh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for giving me this crown. I wear it proudly and I enjoy it. And I promise to take better care of it from now on. No more micro twists. Yes, Lord, I promise. Now after detangling, all I do is put my hair in plaques. Yeah, and here's the hair that I cut off. You know that first day? You remember that? Yeah, I just went ahead and cut. Those are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I just cut. Yeah, from there you can see the amount of hair I was left with. Yeah, no more micro twists. No more, never again. Yeah, I was unplating that plug so that I can show you properly. But again, my fingers got in the way. But I think you can see that part. Yeah, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like the video. Share and comment. Catch you on the flip side. Kisses, much love from me. Guys, that's my entire hair loss. Yeah, it will grow back. Yeah, so don't get so surprised. 5 months of not seeing a comb and detangling and build up will lead to that, please. Yeah, guys, catch you on the flip side. I love you guys. Thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Those of you who have subscribed, please, I need like 100 subscribers right now. Give me some energy, please. I beg you guys. Give me some energy. Subscribe. Yeah, that was from only that part. Guys, bye. Catch you later.